Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to check the ArchOn V3, a new freestyle frame by HaloRC. In this quick video I'm going to assemble the frame, go over its features and specs, announce a small giveaway, and in the next 2 weeks or so I plan to feature it in a build and flight video. First of all, in terms of packaging, inside the bag of the ArchOn V3 you are getting two HaloRC branded 25 cm long battery velcro straps that feature a grip pattern for the battery, two interchangeable clockwise and two interchangeable counterclockwise carbon fiber arms, a carbon fiber spine that keeps the arms together and prevents them from moving around, the top, bottom and middle carbon fiber plates, two FPV camera carbon fiber side plates, and a bag that contains all the needed screws and spacers for assembling the frame, two camera braces, and 3D printed TPU parts, which are going to enable you to mount an FPV camera between the side plates. Now, in order to assemble the frame, first assemble the two camera side plates and make sure that they're not very tight, as you'll need to fit the FPV camera later after assembling the frame. Then assemble the arms in the following manner. Next comes the central spine that connects the bottom plates. After assembling it, connect these two pieces together and pay attention that you'll need to unscrew the bottom screws and then screw them again, as otherwise you are going to encounter some difficulties attaching these two pieces together. After that, assemble the standoffs. Then the two standoffs of the side camera plates along with the two supporting arcs, and finally assemble the top plate. Now, after the frame is assembled, let's quickly go over its features and specs. The wheelbase of the frame is about 235 mm and it features a wide X pattern. The thickness of each replaceable carbon fiber arm is 5 mm and its width is between 17 to 9.6 mm. The thickness of the bottom and top carbon fiber plates is 2 mm. The thickness of the middle carbon fiber plate is 1.5 mm and the distance between the middle and top carbon fiber plates is 20.2 mm. On the center of the frame, you can find both 20 by 20 and 30.5 by 30.5 mm mounting holes. However, only the 20 by 20 mm entry mounting holes can be accessed from the bottom of the frame, and in case you are using a 30.5 by 30.5 mm stack, you will need to disassemble the bottom plate in order to access the screws. On the back of the frame, you can find ventilation holes and 20 by 20 mm M2 mounting holes for mounting your VTX. The frame supports micro-sized FPV cameras. The camera is secured to the frame using these 3D printed TPU plugs, and on the top plate you can find a press nut which will enable you to secure an action camera mount to the frame. In addition, plenty of 3D printed TPU parts that will enable you to mount an action camera, DJI air unit, antennas, and etc. are available for an extra cost on HaloRC's website, and they also kindly provide you with the STL files, so if you'd like to, you can simply print your own 3D printed parts. As for its weight, the ArchOn V3 frame on its own weighs about 111 grams, so it's heavier than the Osiris frame, which I've recently built and reviewed. Here you can see what it looks like after attaching the 3D printed GoPro Session 5 camera mount to the frame. In my opinion, it's a very elegant way of attaching a camera mount to a frame, and it is secured by using the press nut which I've shown you earlier and by using the front standoff. So overall, as far as I can tell, this is a pretty robust frame and it should be a very good option for a freestyle 5-inch build. And after my previous experience with my Osiris frame, I can tell you that the central spine really makes a big difference for tuning the frame, as it makes the frame very sturdy, reduces vibrations, and makes the tuning procedure much easier. So I'm looking forward to feature this frame in a future build and flight video. And as for the giveaway, the prize is again a 50% off coupons code on HaloRC's website, which is limited for 2 frames. And in order to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is to make sure that you are publicly subscribed to my channel, hit the notifications bell so in case you are the winner you are not going to miss out, and leave a single comment down below that contains the giveaway code which you can currently see on your screen. I wish you all happy flying, and I'll see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.